Hello, my name is Nurhidayah binti Rosli. I'm from kelas DLS 2E, nomor matriks 07 DLS 20 F1009. Today I would like to present a topic about drone delivery. Okay, what is drone delivery? Drone delivery is an unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) which is used to transport packages, medical supplies, food or other goods. Drone delivery is typically autonomous. In November 2020, FAA proposed airworthiness criteria for type certification of delivery drones with an intent to initialize commercial operations. Zipline, Wingcopter, and Amazon Prime Air are amongst the 10 companies selected for this type of certification. Okay. Applications of drone delivery. We use drone delivery for healthcare delivery, such as it can be used to transport medical products such as blood products and vaccines, and other supplies such as pharmaceutical and medical samples. Medical deliveries have become one of the leading applications for drone delivery because they can easily fly into and out of remote or otherwise inaccessible regions. Medical drones delivery is credited with saving lives during emergency deliveries of blood in Rwanda and post-hurricane relief in Puerto Rico. Okay, next, food delivery. Drones have been proposed as a solution for rapidly delivering prepared food such as pizzas, tacos, and frozen beverages. Early prototype of food delivery drone included Tacocopter demonstration by Star Simpson, which was a taco delivery concept utilizing a smartphone app to order drone-delivered tacos in San Francisco. Next is postal delivery. Different postal companies from Australia, Switzerland, Germany, Singapore, UK, and Ukraine have undertaken various drone trials as they test the feasibility and profitability of unmanned delivery drone services. Okay, next, ship resupply. The shipping line MAX and the Port of Rotterdam have experimented with using drones to resupply offshore ships instead of sending smaller boats. Next is pros of drone delivery. Okay, drone delivery is used to deliver products. Obviously, drone delivery are mainly used for delivering commodities or objects. These are programmed devices that deliver items from their headquarters to a designated area. Second, improves time management. Drone delivery allows human counterparts to focus on other important delivery procedures. This is because this device delivers fastest due to its accurate locating program. Drone deliveries also have a lesser error margin when locating the exact targeted area. The next pros is promote safety. Drones prevent accidents because they are physically delivering the commodity to consumers. Human delivery personnel are often exposed to hazardous environment. When using drones, delivery personnel will no longer have to risk their lives from accidents. Okay, next about cons of drone delivery. Battery effects. Drones can easily drain their battery with just a few minutes. It can easily run their battery out while delivering the products to a target locations. If delivery fails, it can generate complaints from consumers in the market. Number 2. Expensive device. Drone delivery are still expensive because they are just introduced in the market. Only a few companies use it to improve their logistics operations. And lastly is drone delivery is easily stolen. Drones are suspended independently into the atmosphere. Anyone will take the drone away while disconnecting its power supply. Once stolen, companies will no longer have the authority to control their properties. Next, okay, this is the types of drones with different models of UAV. We have multi-rotor drone, fixed wing drone, single rotor drone, and hybrid VTOL. That's all from me. Thank you.